How to be skinny in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about how you can be skinny on Roblox. So now let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is simply launch your web browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, go to the avatar section from the left-hand side of the screen that you will find between Friends and Sandbox. Tap on Avatar. This will take you to the avatar editor page. Now, if you want to make your avatar skinny, to achieve the look, hover over to Head and Body, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Scale, which is the last option. If your avatar is set to R6, change it to R15, and you will see a warning message. Just click through it. And here in the settings, to make your avatar look very skinny and tall, select your height to 105%, and the other scale options are set to the lowest value. The fun fact is skinny avatars also appear taller. So that's how you can get a skinny avatar in Roblox. So I hope this helped. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.